about 1:30 here on Martin Luther King Day. Woo. And I'm out, I got my bike and I'm riding along Venice Beach, California. You can take a look. I worked out for about 2 hours at Gold's Gym this morning. And I'm just riding along the beach here, exploring things. Let's take a look here. We got Venice Beach Rentals and a bunch of bikes there. All right. Whew. Here I am pedaling along, a little bit of light rain right now. But it actually feels good. I've been pedaling so much. Whew, about 1:30 in the afternoon. Martin Luther King Day, January 17th, 2022. All right, we're gonna go around here and I'm gonna get on the actual trail, the bike trail, let you see it. Here's this bike they rented me. I think it was $18 for 2 hours, $9 an hour. I'm gonna get up here so I can keep from killing myself or running over anybody. All right, I'm gonna hold it right here.